How to add bio on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add bio on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here in top corner and then click these 3 points and once you're here just click on your profile here and after that click bio and now type here any bio you want and that's it. Then just click save and that's it. Or you can just click on your profile here and that's it, you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.